Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, the Ninja Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. If you're in the market for an air fryer, make sure to watch till the end to find out which one is better suited for your needs. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment down below which air fryer you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both air fryers have a large capacity, with the Ninja Air Fryer XL having a 5.5 quarts basket and crisper plate, and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer able to prepare 4 to 6 servings. However, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is better suited for large batches, with the ability to cook up to 3 pounds of fries or wings at once. The Ninja Air Fryer XL offers 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer offers 6 functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has customizable one-touch programs for specific foods like wings and veggies, making it easier to use. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer offers even crisp technology, which drives hot air to achieve a perfect golden finish, while the Ninja Air Fryer XL uses convection heat to cook food. Additionally, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has a clear window and internal light, allowing users to easily monitor the cooking progress. Both air fryers have non-stick surfaces, making them easy to clean. However, the Ninja Air Fryer XL also has a dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer only has a dishwasher-safe basket. The Ninja Air Fryer XL is priced at $155, and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at $159. While there isn't a significant difference in price, the Ninja Air Fryer XL is slightly more affordable. And that's all for our comparison between the Ninja Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. While both products have their pros and cons, we hope this review has helped you make an informed decision. Let us know in the comments which air fryer you would choose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.